Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you how to reuse old frying pan to decorate your home with a few simple inexpensive material. I am going to show you how to upcycle your old frying pan into charming decoration. Transform your home into a unique and stylish paradise with these easy and creative ideas for repurposing old frying pan and white acrylic paint. Learn how to make a metallic wall art and tray the white acrylic paint to create an eye-catching accent to each project as well as an outstanding final project. Get creative and give your home a makeover with this one of a kind repurposing project. So now let's start it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please tell me on comment section. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.